Hello everyone. We were discussing about the female reproductive system of human being. So I have given you a flow chart and we discussed about the different organs. One by one I will be telling you detail of the different organs which form the female reproductive system. The first one are the primary sex organs which are called ovaries. Ovaries are present by birth. That's why they are known as primary sex organs. The size and the structure of ovaries is approximately equal to the size and structure of almonds. बिल्कुल एलमंड्स के शेप जैसा और एलमंड के साइज जैसा ही साइज होता है ओवरीज का. दे आर प्रेजेंट टू इन नंबर, दैट मीन्स दे आर इन अ पेयर एंड दे आर लोकेटेड इन द लोअर एब्डोमेन attached to the pelvic wall and to the uterus with the ovarian ligaments. उसके बाद में ओवरीज का क्या फंक्शन है? ओवरीज का फंक्शन है कि उन्हें कुछ जो फीमेल हॉर्मोन्स हैं उनको प्रोड्यूस करना है, प्लस दे आर रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर द मैच्योरेशन ऑफ द ओवम. Okay, now these follicles, they are present in immature and mature, both the forms inside the ovaries. जो ovaries का बाहर की कवरिंग है, बाहर का स्ट्रक्चर है, आउटर स्ट्रक्चर है, उसमें तो होते हैं उसके immature follicles, और जो मिडिल में उसका स्ट्रोमा होता है उसमें उसके होते हैं mature follicles. Plus it has connective tissue and it is highly supplied with the blood vessels. And each ovary produces ओवम ऑल्टरनेटली इन अ मंथ, यानी एक महीने ये वाली ओवरी, दूसरे महीने दूसरी वाली. कोई भी एक ओवरी जो है वो एक महीने में एक एग रिलीज करती है नॉर्मली. देन द सेकेंडरी सेक्स ऑर्गन्स इंक्लूड द डिफरेंट डक्ट्स एंड द ग्लैंड्स. द फर्स्ट डक्ट इज द फैलोपियन ट्यूब और ओविडक्ट. The size of oviduct or fallopian tube is near about 10 to 12 centimeter, and these are also attached to the uterus. Now they are near the ovaries but they are not in direct contact with the ovary. बिल्कुल चिपके हुए जुड़े हुए नहीं होते हैं ओवरीज से, लेकिन ओवरीज के पास होते हैं, जिससे कि जैसे ही ओवरी से एग रिलीज हो जो ओविडक्ट्स है उसको कैच कर ले. ओविडक्ट्स हैव 3 पार्ट्स. दिस वाइडर पार्ट जो ओपनिंग है इसकी ओविडक्ट की, इट इज नोन एज infundibulum and it is supported with the finger like projections which are called fimbriae. These fimbriae help in catching the eggs या ओवम. जब ओवम को कैच कर लेते हैं, ओवम मूव्स टू द मोर वाइडर पार्ट ऑफ द ओविडक्ट, then this part is known as ampulla. Then the narrower part and the last part of the fallopian tube is known as isthmus. The fertilization, जब ओवरी एग रिलीज करती है तो फिम्ब्री के थ्रू इनफंडिबुलम में जाता है, then it moves to the ampulla, और ampulla से निकलने के बाद the junction of ampulla and isthmus is actually the point of fertilization of ovum and sperm. Then the second tubular structure is uterus. Uterus, which is also known as mother's womb, and it is also attached to the lower abdomen or to the pelvic wall, you may say. It is situated in between the urinary bladder and rectum. रेक्टम जो कि लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन का पार्ट है और यूरिनरी ब्लैडर जो कि आपके एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम का पार्ट है, दोनों के बीच में जो है इट इज लोकेटेड. नाउ यूट्रस हैव 3 layers. First outermost layer, then the middle layer and then the inner layer. The outermost layer is known as perimetrium, which is the outer covering and has thin layer of muscles. Then inside it, this is myometrium. दोनों तरफ ये जो है thick muscular portion है, that is known as myometrium. Myometrium is responsible for the vigorous contraction at the time of child's birth. Then the inner one, this one is the endometrium. Endometrium is responsible for the cyclic changes during the menstrual cycles. जो menstrual cycle होती है उसमें इसकी thickening और इसकी thinning जो है वो होती रहती है. This layer is highly supplied with the blood vessels. Then the uterus opens into the cervical canal or cervix. It's another tubular structure which is also known as birth canal and becomes wider at the time of the childbirth. Then it opens into the last tubular structure, which is known as vagina, which is meant for the sexual act and for the genital discharge. Then we'll come to the external genitalia. The external genitalia in females is known as vulva. It has these parts, following 6 parts. The first one is the mons pubis. Mons pubis is the cushion-like structure which has pubic hairs. Then it has 2 folds of the skin. The thicker fold is known as labia majora and the thinner fold is known as labia minora. Labia majora and labia minora, they open into the depression which is known as vestibule. Then at the junction of the 2 folds of labia minora, there is a small finger-like erected tubular structure which is highly sensitive also and which is known as clitoris. Then there is a hymen layer. Hymen layer is, it is said that it is torn at the time of first coitus. So that's all about the parts which form the female reproductive system. The glands are left, which I am going to explain further. Thank you.